Rabinaka, good address to everyone tuning in this fine morning. Many people love this show, Ouch Palangi show.
Don Babanak.
Well, good morning to everyone joining this morning. Not forget, sometime we want to endure ourselves to withstand the above mentioned. The weather has been coming through our weeks.
Yeah.
But we are thankful. We are thankful to all the students for their graduation happening. Yesterday, the Nasinu Gospel Primary School, they're doing the prize giving.
Yes,
Today, we will doing the graduation for the Kindi Salvation Army, Nasinu Salvation Army Kindergarten.
Oh, okay.
And the farewell to the teachers and the students, because this is the last lap
Yeah.
and the last lot for the Salvation Army, because next year there will be no more Salvation Army Kindergarten
Oi.
all over Fiji. So
Say.
this is the memorable day
Yeah.
for them and the year
Yeah.
for the student, especially to the teachers
Yes.
who will be shift to another school or whatever planning they do.
Yeah.
Because this is the last year they will do the teaching in the Salvation
Do
Army.
you know any of the reason why?
No.
Oh, okay. So last lot is this year.
Yeah.
Before no more kindergarten for the
Your job is to
Salvation
find
Army.
out why.
Find out X.
Yes. Melina de Lebu yang Rabinaka Petero Tupidi.
Yeah.
Mes na salu. Sama sarti ko may LA na matawag na ni ko. Why sto ni Baulan LM69?
Rabinaka, Vikim na pasin dia.
Yan Rabinaka.
Rabinaka Vikim na lubebiti ni sama cuma na berburu na matakai daya. Rabinaka Vikim na linga bing garabi. And people limbulla Vikim na linga bing garabi na hotel di bulang servanua. And matakai daya to the tourists who are in the country, maybe tuning in from the hotels that they are staying in this morning. We say, Rabinaka and Bulbanak, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show on VTFM.
Reschool Primary to Nandera, they will to do the talking while the graduation is happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please make it short and simple. Some of us we talk just like the jokes.
Yeah.
When the people talking, the chief guest talking.
Keep it short,
Yeah, yeah.
Keep it short.
Keep it short
Yes.
and simple.
Yeah.
Because we are looking forward to meet each other
Yes.
for the graduation, especially my mom.
It's very true. The message
True, very true,
kids,
very
they
true.
have their own world, eh?
Yes.
And the way they act, according to what they want. What the on friends and the graduation ikua. Today also we'll see their salu different types of salu and their
I was
Also-
looking for the Salu
Oh, yes.
yesterday.
Yes.
The Salu too, the price is very on par.
Say,
Right.
$20 for the kids.
Yo,
50, 60. Oh, they're very nice and beautiful.
Right.
Salu.
to the graduation this morning, eh? Okay, our story this morning
Yes.
is about the husband and the wife.
Yeah.
The husband and the wife.
Yo,
You know, when the husband and the wife,
Churi.
they are together every day.
Before we
And
start
when
the-
the time
yeah.
comes
Yeah.
for them to be apart,
right.
maybe go overseas.
Okay.
And it's very hurting.
Yeah.
Because they love each other very much.
They want to separate themselves from,
Go.
there becomes a time you'll need your time alone.
Yes.
There will become a time you will be tired of hearing your husband's voice.
Yeah.
Oh.
There'll become a time you'll hate clothes.
Oh.
Hey, sometimes
Don't they
because
hate clothes?
depend on the texture of your body in that period.
Yeah, Dina.
Eh?
Yeah.
So salita tani sulba kasamasa.
Yeah.
I hate the bed.
Right.
I want to walk.
Right.
Yeah.
Take that oxygen away. I don't need it.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Please, just give me any food I want.
Let me go.
This sickness will hit me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just live. I want to live.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some
Live
of
what?
us, we are unfortunate that we heard from the doctor, this sickness will reach you.
Right.
Yeah.
Sana rawat siko.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
Good morning to Sweet Jamaica benapa na kita Jim.
Right.
Right.
And also, you coming in a place where you'll meet your time of questionnaire.
Yeah. Dina.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
right.
Babe,
According to the word.
according
Yes.
to the word.
Yeah.
This is a word that always present in our daily marriage.
Right.
Yeah.
Eh?
Right.
Kaya pa kausamat eh. Ikaw na pa, will you married again?
Oh.
Before that time mantang arrive, you stay in the front of the taltala, saying your what you call it?
Vows.
Vows. Yeah.
Yes.
You saying your vows.
Till
Yeah.
death.
Till death do us apart.
Yes.
From there, if death is on the corner,
Yes.
Yeah.
and your partner maybe is sick, there will be a time
Yes.
of promising.
Right.
Yeah.
If I die, what will you do?
Will you
Yeah.
remarry?
will you remarry?
Yeah.
Or you keep on raising our two
Kids.
beautiful
Yes.
children?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or what is your planning?
I'm going and I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please don't get married.
It depends on you. Some of us, we give the option.
Yeah.
If you want to carry on,
Yeah.
marry to your own.
While the partner is still sick lying in bed,
Yeah.
sa bola cuma nangon na ni Vitaladi, she or he is married again.
Yeah, some of us,
Yeah.
they are not about to die
Yeah.
because of our menace.
Yeah.
Right.
So nalasa mo ninda kapamuli sa live affecta kawale na brain category.
Yeah, di na sir.
Na tuba kinyo na bakasama.
Yeah.
Right.
Asali baka puno na baka lumodo take ko asali take away that life.
Yeah.
So they was there.
Yeah.
Will passed away. Why will you marry again?
Okay.
So the last moments
okay,
together.
The last moment together. Those two
Last
couples.
moments together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will
So
you,
the lady asked the man on the bed.
on the bed.
My
Taking
husband,
the hand,
honey,
taking
my
the
love.
hand and
Yes.
scrum the fingernails.
Scrub
Yeah.
the
Iya. Meron sabi
scrub.
iya, meron scrum no ng kangalo.
Yeah, masih atau
They
ngomong.
touch each other.
Iya.
Will you marry again?
Hey, sir.
And he said, no. I won't marry again.
Ano saan ni mga watitali?
Until
Medho basara.
your symmetry is dry.
Oh, medho basara sa mamada na nomu imbulu-mbulu.
Yeah.
Oi.
Baka diri loloma din na
Yeah.
bita na kya.
Yeah.
And the girl
Yeah?
take that word.
Okay.
Iya.
After my husband coming,
Yes.
Iya.
the only is tabale.
Okay.
Kaya daw boleh
Tabale
ketemu.
Regine.
Iya,
Right.
Ranjin.
Sa.
When
Rotumbo ba tamay?
When the husband gone, yeah, I wanna tell you something. Please,
Dying wish.
before we die, before I die, my husband tell me that he will marry again until the symmetry is dry.
Right.
Right.
So one wish for you, one begness.
Iya.
Don't go kere.
Iya.
I beg
Nakamo
you.
mo ba?
Iya.
Nangono sama tikira.
This you gonna do.
Iya.
You keep watering and wet my symmetry. Iya. Baka suwata ka tunga na nung bulong-bulong so that my husband won't marry again.
Husband, okay, sa nikila na bital na rosa ka ba?
Yeah.
Iya.
O
He never know.
wife,
Yeah.
wate kay tabalena.
Yeah.
Eh?
Sa.
Isa, hindi ko kaya. Right.
After 5 years of marriage,
O, teli mo na yung baki.
the mosquito net gone.
Oh.
The sada grow.
Oh.
Di na sara.
The siridevo nga giving
Oh,
leaves.
fruits.
Oh
Iya.
no.
Mana graveyard. Oh.
Nagrebyan.
Right.
Regine.
Yeah. And keep on watching. Every time he come and visit,
Right.
check. Is the symmetry dry?
Iya.
Is the symmetry dry?
Every day it's still wet.
Wet.
From the day of the burial till 5 days later.
Because
5
his
years
promise
later.
until
the
symmetry
yes.
dry,
Yeah.
then he will marry again.
Right.
But one day, when he come in the morning,
Siya ka ni mama na raw.
5 a.m. in the 5 a.m. in the morning, and he met Tabale.
Oh.
There in the symmetry.
What
The only
Tabale?
thing coming is to his head. Maybe this one is a livelis.
Ha?
Lives. Yeah.
Live.
Wrong state.
Iya.
Right.
Di na sara.
What you think here?
Iya.
No. I want to tell you something.
Iya.
It's my Tabale's last wish.
Iya.
For what?
For me.
Yeah.
For what? To come and wet his symmetry. Mundo may paswa-swata ka to nga na bulu-bulu. I just want to come here and wet his symmetry.
No.
You want me to get wet? Tabale, Karua,
Iya.
this is the last warning for you.
This is my wish.
Yeah, this is my wish. I want to remarry. If the symmetry is still wetting,
Yeah.
I can remarry.
Yeah.
If next morning you come here, I leave my wish for a male, I take for the you.
Dano ba kami namuha na matari kuha. Rupe ni dama kaya na matabubali. Ano ba na kasi mo ni Banube. Di ano ba na sa akin na mataga din tayo. Kaya ado tu so
Right.
na suarto yung matu. So simbolo tu nga sali wa stal chiko ko simbolo chiko. Sa gali kuringan ni mate si
Hindi
tu
na
mate
sa.
vira.
Natotolo sara.
Iyo.
Totolo
So
sara.
na
Natotolo
so na kisi di ba ado chiro tu.
Kanti na.
Sa isa tambe kami na tambe kausa sa dia. Ako chika ni tukutuk kaya drama tag di bingkara di ko. Ano ba ka John Kumar from Bararabeli. Your enemy is your own family. Jira
So
sa
era
nga.
santo baga the wada, eh?
Jingera,
So
Dina.
santo baga the wada tu na pingkarabi.
Iyo.
Isa, sabo lelinga.
Iyo.
Abi
So the
bibira.
husband after the bongi tolu siya bongi ba, he went and checked.
Check salah ko tunga.
So the bulbul still wet.
Every day
Sambibi.
check.
He didn't know that his karua
Iya,
is
sa-
wetting the bulbul.
Yes.
She must be laughing from the
Oh.
Graveyard.
graveyard.
She doesn't want anyone else to marry the husband.
Sa
Napakangay kanan rin yang ko na nakukumbulo.
Kaya dito ko, luwalala Harry, ano
kamus na
binaka, ano
masinda mo ya.
binaka. Niles, Simon yung bando ito, ano binaka main na muana, ano turangan na muana.
Iya.
Jengger, your enemy, oh yes, truce. Simon yung bando ito, may semi para may tabulo mo to, ano binaka.
Kami mbua.
Iyo.
Tabulo mo yan re.
Tabulo mo tamang bu.
Raki-raki
Bando
Methodist
binaka.
Mission School.
Iya, ra,
Binaka
Luciana.
naman
Bako
ni-
to may naitampa?
Kala yan ra. Bagaimana kanda? Ako rin pinaka-relevant na bukunan ragito yan sing ni kuwa.
Right.
Ni kuwa ba't kaya sing ni mataka ya. Tapos ito nga na ito kinimbula may nasulit yung kanan raki. Meron na maruta yung na lubenta na nung ragito. Tingin mo tayo na sing ni kuwa. Nato pa na mataka